Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we have 15-year-old non-working filthy keyboard. The only malfunction is the broken PS2 connector, so it will be an easy repair. Otherwise I don't like throwing away things I can fix, and I really need a proper PS2 keyboard for upcoming project. I can't believe how much dirt and grime has accumulated under the keys. I tried to vacuum first, but it didn't make any progress. So let's continue with teardown. Okay, returning attention back to the keys. I use dish soap and warm water. It is the only way to wash it completely. Each and every side of the keys. And the case as well. Now let's deal with the actual problem. New PS2 connector is almost impossible to find, so I have another solution, sort of. I salvaged good working connector from PS2 to USB reduction. Also, other end of the cable is pretty beat up, so I decided to cut and resolder it. Did I mention that the cable is just as nasty? This is the most fun part, like putting together a puzzle. This is much better. I call this 100% improvement. And that's about all for this episode. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Also, I hope it was useful. Thanks for watching and see you in next one.